We've teamed up with MorningSave.com and their lifestyle expert Anna D'Souza, who's here to share some amazing inside deals at deep discounts. First up, a handy vacuum.
Yes, Brooke, this is the POWEART 8-in-1 cordless stick vacuum. Now this vacuum features 2 suction modes, so you can switch from a quick touch-up to a deeper clean. Plus, with multiple attachments, you can tackle floors, stairs, furniture, ceilings, even your car, the unofficial home of cracker crumbs.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
What's the deal?
Well, we've seen this sell for as much as $140, but our price is just $69.99. That's 50% off.
Really nice. Okay, next, a doorbuster deal.
Yes, this is the LUCE Dermal Definer Brush and Anti-Aging Roller. This is your glow up in gadget form. Using vibrations and cold rollers, the company says this roller cleanses the skin, boosts circulation, reduces puffiness, and improves elasticity and moisture retention. There is a limit of 3 per customer.
How do I sign up for that? Okay, what's the deal?
Well, we've seen this sell for as much as $99, but our price is just $12, Brooke. That's 88% off.
Okay, and finally, some stylish pants.
Yes, this is a 2-pack of the Hue Stretch Twill Utility Pants. These are about to make your favorite jeans a little bit jealous. The soft stretch fabric moves with you, and the pull-on cargo design makes getting dressed quick and comfortable. Plus, the utility pockets add style and function, making them perfect for everything from busy weekdays to weekend errands. And they look just as great with sneakers as they do with flats or ankle boots.
They do feel really soft. What's the deal?
Well, we've seen this sell for as much as $136, but our price is just $24.99. That's 82% off.
Fantastic deals today, as always. Thank you so much, Anna. For more information about these deals, you can scan the QR code below or visit morningsave.com.